Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Kingsville, local and long-distance movers near me. If you are planning to move internationally or out of state, you must have many things to do and prepare, so lots of stuff needs to be packed, and such a long distance you have to travel. Hiring a moving company can simplify and make such an overwhelming moving process. 3 Men and a Truck. Make your moving process simple by offering the following services: packing and unpacking services, transparent pricing, supplying packing materials, and an on-time move. You might be happy thinking that you have opted for an easy moving day if you are moving just around the corner. However, despite the short distance, you cannot avoid the packing and lifting items that come with any moving day. Hire 3 men and a truck and make your moving day simple and easy. We will get you unpacked in your new home in just a few hours. In addition to locale and long-distance moving, our Kingsville Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.